Dewalt is one of the most trusted and recognized tool brands out there, and it's not just because of that bold black and yellow look. Their tools are known for durability, power, and performance that professionals and DIY lovers rely on every day. So in today's video, we're checking out some of the newest and most useful Dewalt tools you probably haven't seen yet, but definitely need to. All the tools links are in the description below. Number 30, Hydraulic Impact Driver. This new Dewalt impact driver is super quiet, making about 57% less noise than most others. It's great if you don't want to bother people while working. Even though it's quiet, it's still really strong and can handle tough jobs easily. It also works up to 40% faster, so you can finish your tasks in less time. Compared to other brands, it's almost twice as fast and a lot smoother to use, making your work easier and less tiring. Number 29, Max XR PowerStack. It delivers up to 50% more power than regular batteries, which means your tools can handle tougher materials and bigger tasks with less effort. It's made to last longer too, so you spend more time working and less time charging. The compact design makes it easier to hold and work in tight spots, while the strong rubber base helps protect it from drops or rough surfaces. You also get a handy LED light that shows how much battery life you have left, so you're never caught off guard. And the best part, it works with all Dewalt 20-volt max tools and chargers, making it a solid upgrade for any setup. Number 28, Cordless Impact Wrench. Now handle your toughest jobs easily with the This High Torque Impact Wrench Asterisk. It gives you up to 102% more torque, so you can loosen or tighten large bolts and nuts without extra effort. The strong glass-filled nylon body protects it from oils, drops, and tough work conditions, keeping it reliable for years. It also comes with a precision wrench mode, which helps stop you from over-tightening bolts, perfect for avoiding damage to tools or materials. The 4-mode push-button control makes it simple to adjust both speed and LED brightness, giving you full control depending on your task. Number 27, Cordless Hammer Drill. Dominate demanding tasks with the most powerful 20-volt max hammer drill designed for maximum performance across a wide range of applications. Its anti-rotation system enhances safety by detecting excessive motion and automatically shutting down, with a red LED alert when engaged. Enjoy superior maneuverability in tight spaces thanks to its compact design, while the 3-speed all-metal transmission delivers optimized runtime, precision, and high-performance drilling for every project. Number 26, Air Compressor. Get powerful and reliable air performance with this compressor, built to deliver up to 225 psi for strong and consistent airflow. The large 2-inch gauges, couplers, and regulator are easy to read and safely placed behind a metal cover. Its high-flow coupler gives better nailer performance, while the oil-free pump means you don't have to worry about maintenance. With 10-inch non-flat tires, it's easy to move around any job site, making it a simple, durable, and hassle-free choice for all your air tool needs. Number 25, Compact Press Tool Kit. Its lightweight inline design lets you work comfortably in tight spaces or overhead with just one hand. It works with all compact series pressing attachments and comes with 4 CTS jaws that can handle 1/2 inch to 1 1/4 inch copper pipes. The 180-degree rotating head helps you press from any angle, while the LED work light improves visibility in dark areas. Plus, it includes Crimp Connect software to track press cycles, a RAM release button for quick resets, and a Tool Connect chip to help you manage your tools easily. Number 24, Dewalt Pipe Prep. Revolutionize pipe preparation with this advanced deburring tool designed to handle 33% larger pipe diameters and over 60% more material types. Enjoy exceptional control with a variable speed switch and paddle trigger, while rust-resistant blades ensure long-lasting durability. Dual inner and outer deburring functions make tasks effortless, and its 3/8 inch to 2-inch capacity covers a wide range of materials. Protective bumpers safeguard performance, and the removable cutting blade adds convenience for maintenance. Number 23, Copper Tubing Cutter. Now you can achieve fast, precise copper tubing cuts with this top-of-class cutter, handling 1/4 inch to 1 1/4 inch types K, L, and M tubing. Its auto-size adjust cutting head eliminates part swapping, while the innovative pivoting head rotates 90 degrees for hard-to-reach angles, delivering up to 550 cuts per charge. It slices tubing in as little as 1.2 seconds. Durable, corrosion-resistant components, a variable speed trigger for full control, and an onboard LED for dim areas enhance productivity. Tool Connect chip ready for asset tracking. Number 22, Dewalt Max Charger. Now, you can charge all your batteries at the same time with this fast and easy to use charger. It works with 12 volt, 20 volt, and FLEXVOLT batteries, so you don't need different chargers for each one. Each slot gives strong power, letting you charge 4 batteries in less than an hour. It also includes simple features like wall mounts, cord holders, and side clips to keep your space neat and organized. Plus, it's designed to help you easily keep track of your tools and batteries. Number 21, Max Drywall Screwgun. This brushless screw gun gives you smooth and powerful performance while being easy to handle. It has 2 speed settings, high for tough materials and low for lighter ones, so you can work on different surfaces easily. You can also choose between 4 working modes depending on your task, all controlled with a simple button on top. The nose part can be adjusted to control how deep the screw goes, and its compact, lightweight design makes it comfortable to use for long hours without feeling tired. Number 20, Table Saw. Upgrade your woodworking setup with this advanced table saw featuring a rack and pinion telescoping fence system for fast, smooth, and precise fence adjustments. Its patented material support handles narrow rip cuts, while the 32.5-inch rip capacity tackles larger shelving and trim pieces effortlessly. Onboard storage keeps the blade guard, fence, riving knife, miter gauge, wrenches, push stick, and cord wrap within reach. The rolling stand ensures easy setup and stability. Telescoping rails retract for portability, and a 15-amp motor rips through hardwoods quickly. Number 19, Mechanics Tool Set. If you've ever struggled to reach a bolt in a tight corner, this low-profile ratchet is exactly what you need. Its head is 20% thinner than regular ones, so it easily fits into those tricky spots other tools can't reach. The smart tightening system helps you loosen or fasten bolts quickly without slipping. Built from tough chrome steel, it's made to handle pressure and last for years. With 72 fine teeth, it only needs a small turn to get the job done, giving you smooth, precise control even in the tightest spaces. Number 18, Screwdriver Bit Set. Optimize your workspace with this drill bit set featuring a connectable accessory storage system, making organization simple and efficient. The patented bit bar design allows easy removal and customizable placement of bits, while the clear lid lets you see contents at a glance. A secure clip latch ensures safe closure, and the compact size fits perfectly in small and medium tough case. Plus, it delivers optimal torque, and the magnetic screw lock sleeve reduces drops and wobbling for smoother work. Number 17, Stud Finder. It's easy to locate studs quickly and accurately with this advanced stud sensor featuring centerfind technology for effortless centering. It detects wood and metal up to 3/4 inch deep and includes AC and live wire detection for enhanced safety. Constant auto calibration saves time, while the center marking channel, slim profile, audible alerts, and directional LED arrows make stud location simple and precise. Number 16, Band Saw. If you need a saw that's easy to handle and gets the job done fast, this 5-inch model is a solid pick. It's built for smooth, accurate cutting and designed to make your work simple. You can hang it safely using the built-in hook without worrying about scratching the handle or base. The bright LED light helps you see clearly, even in darker spots, and it stays on for a few seconds after you stop cutting. You can easily change blades without any tools, adjust the speed to match your task, and rely on its strong brushless motor that lasts a long time and runs efficiently. Number 15, Cable Stripper Kit. Tackle heavy-duty cable work with this versatile cable cutter, capable of stripping cables up to 4 inches in diameter. Designed for copper and aluminum cables, it features quick-release bushings for fast size changes and a variable speed trigger with reverse for precise control. The adjustable onboard LED light ensures visibility in low-light conditions, while the E-clutch system maintains tool control if a jam occurs. Comes in a convenient kit box with storage for the tool, bushings, battery, and charger, making it ideal for professional electrical work. Number 14, Circular Saw. If you want a saw that's both powerful and easy to handle, this 7 1/4 inch circular saw is a great choice. It's super light, weighing only about 8.8 pounds, so it's comfortable to use even for longer jobs. The strong 15-amp motor gives you plenty of cutting power, and the electric brake stops the blade right away when you let go of the trigger for extra safety. bulky. You can make clean angled cuts easily with its 57-degree bevel range and preset stops at 45 and 22.5 degrees. The solid aluminum base keeps your cuts accurate, the ball-bearing guard helps it last longer, and the built-in dust blower clears your view. Number 13. Oscillating Multi-Tool Kit. This versatile oscillating tool features a 3-speed selector, letting you adjust speed to suit any application. The brushless motor delivers up to 57% more runtime than brushed motors, while the dual grip variable speed trigger provides ultimate control over speed and precision. Equipped with a universal accessory adapter, it works with most oscillating tool brands, and the quick change system allows fast blade and attachment swaps without wrenches. A bright LED light ensures clear visibility on dark work surfaces for accurate and efficient cutting. Number 12. Cordless Router. This compact router features dual LEDs to illuminate your work surface for precision. A variable speed dial lets you match the speed to any application, while the depth adjustment ring allows quick and easy height changes. The soft start motor with full-time electronic feedback maintains consistent speed during cuts, ensuring smooth performance. An electronic brake quickly slows the motor after use, enhancing safety and efficiency for all your routing tasks. Number 11. Buffer Polisher. This angle grinder is designed for comfort and control, featuring a rubber overmolded gear case and back handle for secure ergonomic grip. The variable speed trigger and large speed dial allow precise adjustment for any application. Replaceable wool ingestion shields prevent blockages, while the no-volt release switch ensures safe startup. A large spindle lock enables easy backing pad changes, and pop-off brushes protect the motor, extending the tool's life. Number 10. Impact Socket Set. This socket set is a great option to handle tough jobs with strength and precision. It uses special direct torque technology that helps prevent slipping or rounding off bolts, giving you a firm and secure grip every time. Each socket is made from strong, heat-treated steel to last through heavy use. The clear laser markings make it easy to find the right size quickly, and the 1/2-inch drive works perfectly with O-rings and retaining pins. Whether you're working on repairs or heavy-duty tasks, this set gives you the reliability and power you need. Number 9. Cordless Chainsaw. This cordless chainsaw features a low kickback 12-inch bar and chain, ideal for construction and outdoor cutting tasks. Its compact, lightweight design, just 9 pounds without battery, ensures maximum control and ease of use. Powered by a high-efficiency brushless motor, it delivers longer runtime and motor life, achieving up to 90 cuts per charge on 4x4 pressure-treated wood. Tool-free chain tensioning and bar tightening make adjustments quick and easy. Battery and charger not included. Number 8. Pressure Washer. Tackle a wide range of cleaning tasks with this 550 max cordless cleaning tool, delivering 10 times the power of a standard garden hose. Designed for convenience and portability, it draws water from any fresh water source and works with garden hoses via the Quick Connect adapter. Easily apply detergent with the included soap bottle, adjust power with 2-speed variable control, and switch between functions quickly using multiple Quick Connect nozzles for versatile, high-quality cleaning. Number 7. FLEXVOLT Blower. Experience powerful cleaning with this high-efficiency brushless blower designed to extend runtime and handle heavy-duty use. Delivering up to 600 CFM of air at 125 miles per hour, it easily clears debris with precision. The variable speed trigger and speed lock give you complete control over airflow, making every cleanup fast, efficient, and effortless. Number 6. Cordless Angle Grinder. This powerful angle grinder features an 8,000 RPM motor for efficient cutting and grinding. The quick change wheel release allows tool-free wheel swaps, while the adjustable tool-free guard ensures fast positioning. A 2-finger trigger with lock-off button provides convenient activation and secure grip, and the 2-position side handle delivers enhanced control, comfort, and versatility for a wide range of applications. Number 5. Drain Snake Kit. This pipe cleaning tool is great to make clearing clogs quick and easy. It can handle pipes up to 3 inches wide and comes with a removable drum that fits a 35-foot cable, giving you plenty of reach. The outer cover keeps your surroundings safe from the spinning drum, while the built-in LED light with 3 brightness levels helps you see clearly in dark spaces. It also has a sliding nose cone for quick cable lock and release, and a simple trigger that lets you control the speed and direction with ease. Number 4. Pex Expander Tool. This Pex expansion tool makes plumbing work easier and faster. It's designed to fit PEX Type A tubing from 3/8 inch to 1 inch and features an automatic rotating head that evenly expands the pipe for a perfect fit every time. The full trigger control lets you work comfortably even in tight spots, while the built-in LED light helps you see clearly in dark areas. It also includes hang and belt hooks for easy storage and a soft rubber grip for comfort. Reliable, simple, and efficient. Great for any plumbing job. Number 3, tool organizer. Keep your workspace neat and organized with this heavy-duty steel rail system. Built to hold up to 100 pounds per foot, it's tough enough for all your tools and gear. The non-slip surface protects against scratches and rust, keeping it in great shape for years. Its smart locking system keeps hooks firmly in place, so nothing slips or falls. The kit comes with the rail and a set of handy accessories, making it easy to set up and organize your space quickly and efficiently. Number 2, Jig Saw. The powerful 6.5 amp motor delivers cutting power for demanding materials, while the variable speed range of 500 to 3,100 strokes per minute ensures optimal cutting speed for various applications. The keyless, lever-action blade clamp allows for quick blade changes. With a durable all-metal gear case and 4-position orbital action, the tool offers control over cut quality and speed. Positive bevel detents at 0 degrees, 15 degrees, 30 degrees, and 45 degrees ensure accurate angles. An extra-large rubber grip enhances comfort, and the integrated dust blower maintains visibility during cuts. Number 1, Reciprocating Saw. The compact and lightweight design of this cordless reciprocating saw, measuring just 14.5 inches in total length, allows it to fit between studs and make cuts in tight spaces. The 4-position blade clamp enables tool-free blade changes, while the 1 1/8 inch stroke length provides fast cutting speed. The variable speed trigger, offering 0 to 2,900 strokes per minute, ensures precise control for detailed cuts. A bright LED light illuminates dark work areas for enhanced visibility, and the pivoting shoe adds versatility for various cutting tasks. That's all for today. I hope you enjoyed checking out these awesome and useful tools from Dewalt. Don't forget to hit that subscribe button and tap the bell icon so you never miss any of our upcoming videos.